In this lesson, we are going to make legal descriptions feel visual instead of abstract. If township and range, lot and block, or meets and bounds all blur together, this video will give you a cleaner mental picture for each one. Most students do not actually fail these questions because the ideas are impossible. They fail because the wording looks dense, and they start reading at the wrong scale. The faster fix is to ask what size of map the question is describing before you chase the answer choices. Let us start with lot and block because it is the friendliest one once the order clicks. The subdivision is the full recorded map. Inside that subdivision, you find the block. Inside that block, you find the lot. This is not a riddle. It is simply a zoom sequence. When a question says Lot 8, Block 3, Sunset Ridge Subdivision, do not hunt Lot 8 first. Anchor the subdivision, then narrow to Block 3. Then find Lot 8 inside that block. If you start with Lot first, the exam can make the map feel more random than it really is. Now switch to rectangular survey, which sounds uglier because the vocabulary is different. Here, you are not inside a subdivision map. You are inside a large government survey grid. The usual mental order is find the baseline and principal meridian, move by township and range, then zoom into the section. If the question says Township 3 North, Range 2 East, Section 14, your first job is not to memorize the letters. Your first job is to picture the cross, move 3 townships north, move 2 ranges east, and only then look for Section 14. That order is what turns the code back into a map. Metes and bounds feels different because it is not a big grid and it is not a subdivision zoom. It is a walking path around the edges of the parcel. You begin at the point of beginning, then follow direction plus distance, side by side, until the shape closes. So if you see a legal description that says begin at the oak marker, then go north 45 degrees east 120 feet, then south a certain distance, do not treat it like a paragraph to memorize. Treat it like route instructions. If the path does not close, reread the wording that changed the turn or the length. Here is the easiest way to keep the 3 systems separate. Lot and block is a recorded plat map you zoom into. Rectangular survey is a big grid you navigate from the cross. Metes and bounds is a route you walk from the point of beginning. If you can say those 3 sentences, you can sort a lot of exam questions faster. Another fast exam move is to scan for clue words before you read every detail. If you see subdivision, block, or lot, you are probably in plat territory. If you see township, range, section, baseline, or meridian, that is survey grid language. If you see point of beginning, degrees, feet, or calls, that is usually meets and bounds. If you still get stuck, use a simple strategy. First, identify the system. Second, say the reading order out loud in your head. Third, eliminate answer choices that belong to a different system. This works because the exam often hides one correct map logic inside a group of familiar, but mismatched terms. The common traps are very repeatable. For lot and block, students start with the lot. For rectangular survey, they start counting from nowhere instead of the cross. For meets and bounds, they read the description like a definition paragraph instead of movement instructions. Notice that every miss is really an order mistake. Here is the memory ladder to keep. Lot and block is subdivision, block, lot. Rectangular survey is cross, township, range, section. Metes and bounds is point of beginning, direction plus distance, then closure. If you rehearse those ladders a few times, the vocabulary stops feeling random. If this helped, keep using it like a study video instead of a passive lecture. Pause the next time you see a legal description question and ask what picture the wording is trying to build. That is usually the difference between guessing and actually reading the problem cleanly.